Hello everyone. So we are already done with the file handling introduction part 1. So this is my part 2 where we will focus on write command or write mode. We can write the character data to a text file by using two methods. One is a write function and the second one is the write lines function. First we will start with the write function only by writing one program. Suppose there is a variable f equal to open and we would like to open any one file, for example dummy123, and we would like to open that file as a writing mode. So we are writing w, that is the one thing. Then suppose you are interested in writing something in that file, so f dot write and suppose welcome. Okay, and a slash n, suppose after this also you want to write something more, then you can use slash n for new line actually. Then one more line, suppose f dot write, f dot write, okay, and double quotation, um, welcome to, for example, and again suppose I have one more line, so slash n and again close the round bracket, and again one more time f dot write and bracket and double quotation and welcome to Python programming, suppose Python programming. Okay, now suppose if I'm done with this thing, what you can say, writing the f dot write, like this will write in this particular file. And also just for dummy purpose or demo purpose, actually understanding purpose, we will write one print command which will show you that successful or success, it's done, I mean writing is done. Okay, success. And then obviously we have to close our file also, so we will use that f dot close function. So control s and we'll quickly write, press F5 from the keyboard. We are getting answer as success. So now let's check that this is created or not, and this message is there or not. Welcome to Python programming. Let's check the output of this. Just 1 minute. Where exactly it is? It is somewhere over here. Python 311, dummy 123, and open with notepad just once, and it is there. Yeah, welcome to Python programming. Okay, so that is all about only the write command. So as I said, we have one more command which is nothing but the write lines. So basically what is the difference between write and write lines? Write will write only the string, but write lines will write uh, iterable, that is a list of string. Suppose if I open some other file, for example, abc and 123.txt, for example abc 123.txt, and suppose I have one list. Okay, list equal to, and list always we write inside the square bracket, and I will just write some message hi, and then I want the next line, then second element, again double quotation, and I will write hello, and again slash n because I want next also in the new line. And suppose today is Saturday, so we'll write Saturday also, one more as a list element. And also now I think we are done with three elements, so we will not write slash n. So what exactly you all have to do is, we are not using write command, so we will remove this line first of all. Okay, and obviously using f, we have opened our file, so it will be f dot. Okay, and we will write lines, and our list of elements, or list of string actually is stored in which variable? List. Okay, so we will write that also. Okay, and then obviously we will print success just for acknowledgement purpose that it is done, and then f dot close function, so control s and f5. See, it is showing success. So let's check the output of this. It was abc123.txt file. So open with notepad. See, hi, hello, and what? Saturday. So this is all about write and write lines. In my next video, we'll check about the append first of all, and then we will go ahead with the read and different read operation, like read line, and read lines. Okay, thank you everyone.